everyone, Heather here at BMW of Bridgewater, and guess what? We are offering a complimentary summer service clinic this time for the remaining month of May, all the way until July 31st, 2021. Well, why don't you follow me and I will show you all the things that we're going to be offering to you. We are offering a multi-point inspection, but I'm going to show you and highlight the most important ones for this complimentary service clinic. First, we're going to check the AC temperature. Second, we're going to check your battery. Third, we're going to check your brakes. Fourth, we're going to check your tire pressure. And fifth, we're going to check your wipers. And we're going to add in there washer fluid as well. Isn't that exciting? All the things that we're going to do to your car, that's complimentary. And the best part about it is you're going to get 15% off on all recommended services. So why don't you pick up the phone and dial 908-287-1800 to book your appointment today, or else you can go online and book your appointment 24/7. Don't forget to like and subscribe.